Do you start scratching your scalp just a few days after braiding your hair? Do you notice white flakes or even dandruff 4 or 5 days after braiding? Or maybe your hair already feels like it's 1 month old when it's barely been a week. If any of this sounds like you, please don't scroll. This video is for you. I'm going to show you how I stopped itchy scalp, dryness and dandruff on my braided hair naturally. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's go. A lot of us think this is normal. We think itching, flakes and dryness are just part of braids, but the truth is, they are not. Sometimes the problem even starts from the very first day. Braids are too tight, too much tension on the scalp. I remember the first time my scalp was so tight, I didn't even realize how much it hurts until it started itching non-stop. It's uncomfortable, right? Isn't it? And sometimes you have little rashes and some filled with pus. That's why I always check my braids. I make sure they are not pulling, not painful, not stressing my scalp. Even when your braids are not tight, your scalp can still get dead, and dryness is one of the biggest causes of itching and dandruff. So instead of scratching, I focus on feeding my scalp. I divide my hair into sections so I don't rush, because when you rush, you overdo it. I used to think more oil meant more moisture, but I learned that balance is what really helps the scalp. After applying the oil on my scalp, then I massage. This part is very important. Massaging helps with blood circulation. It helps the oil absorb better. And most importantly, it gives instant relief. If this video ever helped you, even a little, please like it. It really helps my channel grow. Leave a comment and tell me, do you experience itching or dandruff on your braids? I would love to know, and we can share tips with each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair routines, honest hair care, and natural results. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.